Feeling a draft round the edge of your front door? There are two different fixes depending on your door type. One costs £5, the other costs nothing. Here's both. If you've got a uPVC door, it's got built-in adjustment. Most people don't know this exists. It's called a winter and summer setting, and it controls how tight the seal is. Open a door and look at the edge that meets the frame. You'll usually find two types of adjuster. Cams near the lock, adjusted with a 4mm Allen key, and screw slot adjusters at the top and bottom. Each one has a mark showing summer, neutral or winter. Turn the cams and screws towards the winter position. This little notch towards the seal is the winter setting. That pulls the door tighter against the seal. Adjust a little at a time and test the door after each change. If it starts sticking, back it off slightly. If your door doesn't have adjustable hinges, a self-adhesive foam strip does the same job for about £5. Clean the frame where the door meets it, peel the backing off the strip and press it along the edge where you feel the draft. Close the door gently to check it seals without stopping the door from latching properly. Trim it down if it's too thick. Either way, once you're done, run your hand around the edge of the closed door. You shouldn't feel any air moving through. 10 minutes, next to nothing spent, and you'll notice the difference the first cold night. If this helps, hit subscribe. I post fixes like this every week.